Why do atoms bond? By KayScience.com. In this video, we're going to learn why some atoms form bonds and some atoms don't. This is due to how atoms are stable when they have a full outer shell of electrons. This is a very important rule in chemistry which you must remember. Helium is in group 0. It's the first noble gas. It has a mass number of 4 and an atomic number of 2. Its atomic number of 2 means it has 2 protons and 2 electrons. And 4 take away 2 means there are 2 neutrons. This is the electronic configuration of helium. As there are only 2 electrons, the first shell is full. A helium atom is stable as it has a full outer shell of electrons. Helium does not need to transfer any electrons, it does not need to lose any electrons, gain any electrons, or share any electrons. Helium exists as single atoms, so does not bond. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Neon is the second noble gas in group 0. It has a mass number of 20 and an atomic number of 10. The atomic number is 10, so there are 10 protons and 10 electrons. And then 20 take away 10 means there are 10 neutrons. This is the electronic configuration of neon. As there are 10 electrons, 2 go on the first shell and then 8 on the second shell. As neon has a full outer shell of electrons, it is very stable. It doesn't need to lose or gain any electrons or to share any electrons. It exists as single atoms. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Argon is the third noble gas in group 0. It has a mass number of 40 and an atomic number of 18. The atomic number of 18 means there are 18 protons, 18 electrons, and then 40 take away 18 means there are 22 neutrons. This is the electronic configuration of argon. Like all noble gases, it is very stable as it has a full outer shell of electrons. It exists as single atoms and does not need to form any chemical bonds with any other atoms to be stable. Because noble gases have full outer shells of electrons, they exist as single atoms with no bonds. This makes them very stable, so they never need to form ionic bonds, covalent bonds, or metallic bonds with other atoms. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.